Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add money to Venmo. So at this time, only Venmo users who have been approved for a Venmo Mastercard debit card have a option to add money from a verified bank account or a linked debit card directly to their Venmo balance. So if you haven't already added a bank account or linked a debit card to your Venmo profile, then you will have to do it first. In order to do so, you just have to launch your Venmo mobile application. Then you will have to tap on the Me tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Once I've done that, you will be landed on this page where you are going to see the option of add a bank or card. So you simply need to tap on this option, and after providing your banking details such as your bank account number and further information relating to it, you just have to link your bank account with Venmo. Now once this step is done, in order to add money to Venmo, you need to follow these steps. First of all, you will have to go to the Me tab again, and then you need to tap on the option of Manage Balance in the Wallet section. After that, you will have to select the option of Add Money. Then you need to select from bank or debit card. After that, you need to provide the amount that you want to transfer or add, and then you need to choose what funding source you want to use. Then you need to tap on the Add button. Once you do this, there is no way to cancel your transfer. So remember, you don't need to have money in your Venmo account to make payments to other Venmo users. You can fund payments to other Venmo users using a linked funding source. Additionally, Venmo users who have completed the required identity verification by applying for the Venmo debit card or setting up direct deposit may be eligible to use the Cash a Check service within the app. So with the help of these methods, you will be able to easily add money to Venmo. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.